Blogging about tiny houses shouldn't mean endless writing, formatting, or hunting for the right images. AI has changed the game. Now you can have the article, layout, visuals, and SEO all done in one shot, and let me show you how. Do you see this fully built tiny house living blog? Every section laid out with headings, optimized, visuals already in places. And all of this was done in under 3 minutes, and I did not write a single word myself. Autoblogging.ai did, and let me show you how you can also do this. Inside your dashboard, on your left panel, you're going to see different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulge, and red. I'm going to go with wizard. It's perfect when you want to build your blog step by step. Article title, I'm going to type here living large in small spaces, 6 tiny house layout you will love. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging also supports 30 languages, so if your readers prefer Spanish, French, or Japanese, you can switch instantly. For the length, I am picking medium because it has enough space to explore each layouts with details, but still a quick read. But short is for a quick list or a brief update, and long is for full deep dive guide or SEO pillar content. Next, I'm choosing listicle here because it works best. We are covering several layouts, so each has its own section. Informative is a step-by-step teaching content. Places is for location-based roundups, and service bar landing pages is for promotional or booking pages. So listicle. Here I'm going to pick second person, so it feels personal, and it also feels like that I'm directly talking to the reader. But first person is personal stories or an experience. Third person is neutral and magazine style writing. For the style, I'm going to pick conversational here because this article should be friendly and should be easy to follow. But here's what other style do. Auto lets AI matches the style depending on the topic and the tone. Less AI words, feels more human written. Premium style 1 is optimized for SEO tool. Snippet optimizer targets Google featured answer. Witty adds a playful energy. And professional is more B2B. So conversational. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized article. It builds a keyword-rich, SEO-friendly structure with headings and subheadings. FAQs will add real questions from Google based on the particular topic. AI images will add relevant visuals with alt text, and infographics will include visuals like summaries or layout diagrams. SERP analysis. Now, this is one of the best features. Autoblogging.ai checks Google's top ranking on tiny house blogs. It identifies what works and the structures your article to complete. So you just have to enable this, and in the source context box, type for how you want your article to be, and you can also select the location or country where you need to rank on top. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition, it matches on high performing flow, and external link will add credible sources. YouTube videos will add relevant tour or a design video, and key takeaways will add summaries at the end of your blog, so it's great for skimmers. AI proofreading, just enable this and quickly leave a note like keep it friendly or make it flow naturally. So this will clean the grammar and improve the flow without changing the meaning. Next, internal linking. Just enable this and paste your domain here. So autoblogging.ai will automatically connect this article to your related post, related blogs basically. So this boosts SEO and keeps visitor exploring and be on your site for longer. Next, human proofreading. Just enable this and leave a note like check layout names and measurements, or make sure the style matches the brand. So for this you will need a human credit, which you can purchase anytime from our dashboard. Now click on the generate article. Click on the history tab. Scroll down and there'll be a view like icon here. Click on that. And your full blog with text, images, headings and infographics, SEO ready is all ready to publish now. If you want to be quicker next time, then you can always go to single mode and just type in the title here and just few settings, and then your blog is going to be ready. And if you can also use our bulk generate option, where you can create from 10 to 100 blogs at once and even auto post it to WordPress. Writing about tiny houses used to take hours of drafting and editing, but with autoblogging.ai it's done in minutes. But if you would rather skip these steps, you can also try our done for you blog service, where we'll create and publish the blog for you. If this video helped, hit a like, subscribe and comment your next blog idea.